So one of the unsettled debates going into World Cup 2018 is what is harder to win and what is more prestigious, the European Champions League trophy or the World Cup trophy. I don't think it's even close. Anything that I can play for and have a chance to win every year must be easier to win than something that I have to wait every 4 years to have a chance to win. All things remaining equal, a player like Lionel Messi, for example, has a realistic chance to win the Champions League every year. By the simple mathematics of it, Messi has probably played 12 seasons for Barcelona. That is 12 attempts at winning the Champions League. Messi win 4 Champions League already. He has played in 3 World Cups, heading into his 4th. I mean, after telling him, say no win the World Cup yet. So while we can agree that the technical standard of the football in the Champions League is better than in the World Cup, simply because the top clubs such as Real Madrid and Barcelona go out and buy the best players in the world, and the club teams get much more time to gel, while the national teams that play in the World Cup can only use nationals of their respective country. So slightly better quality football is expected in the Champions League in terms of prestige and value. And even which one is harder to win, it is not even close. The World Cup stands alone. If you don't believe me, ask the big boss. Ask the big baller. Yes, ask Messi. Ask Messi.